A cloud of smoke, man!
Well, the hardest fight is right there. That's how you smoke tires, baby. I'm trying.
Right there is Burn Rubber King, dude.
Way too much.
Burn Rubber. Right here's the culprit.
You gotta get something out, dude.
Look at those 10-inch rims right there. There's the boss. He's the man.
Yeah.
There's CBS. There goes Lanky.
I did. I think Rick did after I did. So I put a quarter in after I go green. Bitch, why don't you do some fucking work? About what Joey does all day at work. Puts flowers in his hair, takes pictures of himself.
Look at this
What
guy.
a stupid bitch. Get the fucking work.
Walk much?
Nope. Does it look good?